This journal is titled Accessibility of Social Media Service License by the Election Advisory Agency on the Prevention of Propaganda Campaigns.
Bawaslu ability to monitor campaigns that circulate and spread widely in the community is a benchmark in the accessibility of supervision. This study aims to determine the optimization of the accessibility of social media, monitoring of the prevention of propaganda campaigns by Bawaslu. The research method is a qualitative method with a literature study approach. Availability and convenience are the two main things that become a reference in determining the accessibility of supervision. Bawaslu has provided the formation of innovation, namely the Bawaslu application to facility monitoring and reporting of propaganda campaigns, which can also be accessed by the public. The public can report when they see things that are contrary to election regulation, such as propaganda campaigns. However, Bawaslu is still faced with various obstacles in conducting social media monitoring. These obstacles include the minimum number of Bawaslu personnel, the rapid spread of information on social media. There are only anonymous accounts that disseminate information leading to propaganda, and there are issues related to the lack of warranted protection for campaigns fraud reported. Overall, the accessibility of social media supervision carried out by Bawaslu is not optimal because it is still constrained by obstacles, especially on reporting issues that make people reluctant to participate in supervision.
Introduction. Social media has become a familiar thing to talk about. Social media today can be said to be a platform that has many functions in various fields. This is proven when the government wants to provide information to the public. The government can convey it through social media. Social media today can also be used for politics. This is because someone can inform news or political message to the public within a period of time. Political activities, such as propaganda campaigns, are often used on social media with the intentions that people can be influenced and believe quickly. Propaganda is considered to be able to achieve goals quickly because it is the dissemination of persuasive information. However, propaganda campaigns that occur on social media are known to influence people with strange strategies that corner certain parties. Of course, this will harm the party. In politics, it should compete using healthy campaigns. A healthy campaign is an effort to influence the public by proposing various activities that will be beneficial in the future. A healthy campaign will display various success that have been carried out based on data obtained from the Central Statistic Agency or BPS.
Discussion. Social media is a great way to share information, provide essential support, and a means of communication. With digital technology, the internet makes the communication process interactive. The communication process is a form of using social media. Political parties are not immune from the use of social media, which even exclusively create accounts to campaign for their parties and candidates in order to break communication to the public as voters in general election. Prior to general election period, the public as voters were offered from various campaign activities to voice their opinions on social media with criticism and judgment through public discussion. Social media is a forum for the delivery of criticism or personal opinion, which is basically a right, namely freedom of expression in a country that adheres to democratic system. Freedom of expression through opinion has been regulated in the constitution of our country, namely the 1945 Constitution, namely in Article 28E, paragraph 3, which writes, everyone has the right to freedom of expression.
Availability. Availability and accessibility are two things that cannot be separated from one another. This is supported by the completeness of facilities, or also known as availability, is an indicator that benchmark the creations of accessibility. Therefore, in order to create accessibility, effective and efficient, competence or availability is needed to support the achievement. The government has made effort to provide both facilities and infrastructure to achieve accessibility that can be used by the community as a whole to get equal opportunities in life, as well as in the distributions of information and public service system. However, the availability provided by the government is not only limited to the creations of accessibility in terms of public service, but also in the realm of supervision. Supervision is carried out as an avoidance of fraud or deviations from the wishes achieved through supervision, while hoping that the police is carried out effectively and efficiently, forming an evaluation of the implementation of work and finding out of at what stage the definitions of fraud has occurred.
Convenience can be defined as the impression that arises from the implementation of a program so that it can be used constitutionally until it is sustainable program so that it can be used continuously until it is convenience will include various advancements so as to create flexibility in the implementation of the program. In addition, convenience is condition of the organizer who feels that the assessment has been carried out according to the specification. To be carried out according to the specifications. To be carried out where in comfort. There is a match of behavior and ability, as well as the realization of the behavior and ability, as well as the embodiment of effective supervision. Confidence must be carefully prepared. This is intended if there are problems that will affect accessibility. Organizers already have precious steps in solving it.
Cover. Accessibility requires aspects of affability and convenience in implementation. Accessibility oversight on affability that does not work shall have an impact on participations in the organizations of elections from the authorized institutions, and even civil society cannot optimally monitor and report propaganda that occurs. Monitoring and reporting propaganda that occurs on affability, Bawaslu made innovations to create confidence for the purpose of supervision that leads to propaganda with the creations of an applications that can be used to monitor and report propaganda. Propaganda with the creations of an application that that can be a link between the supervisors and the community at large. Supervisors with the public at large, availability of access to information in supervisions. In fact, there are challenges such as uneven understanding of the limitations that must be carried out when expressions opinion on social media. Social media, meanwhile, the a confidence in carrying out supervision is seen from various aspects. The real practice of information and communication technology or ECT infrastructure by Bawaslu, which still needs data alignment from technology upgrades that have been contribute as much as possible. Technology improvement that have been sought to contribute as much as possible. Interaction that is established interaction in the field between the community who gets service from complaints to Bawaslu is need to get comfort with the response to the point to Bawaslu is needed to confirm with a positive response.